Welcome to a hyped up topic: Samsung versus Apple. Well, as we all know, Apple launched their iPhone 14 with all their versions, with a Pro Max, and the Mini, whatever they call it now. They can put a million names and their watches and all that. I'm going to be focused on the phones themselves. The watch really never made too much sense to me to spend too much money on it. Maybe I don't have a use for it. Other people have, so I'm fine with it. But the only problem I have here is the marketing style that Apple implemented on their iPhone. And what they did here, they still brought in the notch. Yes, you can call it Island. You can call it, what they call it, Dynamic Island. Very beautiful PR stunt going on here. And of course, a lot of people are going to think, oh, it's not a notch because they don't call it a notch. It is a notch from 2012, whether you like it or not. And the other problem here is with the whole topic of poor people buying Android and rich people buying Apple. Well, let me compare the both flagships, and let's see if poor people are really that poor that buy Samsung. Let's go to Apple, and let's go to the pre-order iPhone 14 Pro. Which one is their Pro Max? Is there a Pro Max? Okay, let's go to 14 Pro. Let's click pre-order. Let's go here. Let's go Pro Max. Let's get the space black. Let's get 1 terabyte memory. No trade-in. And no coverage. I don't want any of these. I just want to buy it. Okay. Connect to any carrier. Unlocked. No Apple Care coverage. And the tag came in at $1,599. So $1,599. That is quite a high price, if you ask me. But now let's go to the poor people's phone, Samsung. Their latest model is Galaxy Z Fold 4. Well, let's see what poor people are buying now. Let's go with unlocked. Let's go with 1 terabyte. Let's go with Phantom Black, just like the other one. No trade-in, just like we did in the other one. Where is the other one? We don't need coverage. We don't need anything else. And it comes up to $2,159. $2,159 for the same specs for both flagships, right? We did the Apple spec'd out to the Max, and Samsung spec'd out to the Max. And not to forget that Samsung doesn't have a notch from 2012. That Apple still has a notch from 2012. Samsung, yes, they have a tiny pinhole right there at the camera, and that's all they do. But not a notch, and just call it Dynamic Island, that when you're watching some video or movie in full screen, you're losing some real estate right there. At least with Samsung, there's a pinhole that you barely notice. And no, just to let you know, I'm not a fanboy of either. I'm not a fanboy of either company. Usually I buy a phone that simply fits me and my budget. That's why I still run with my Note 20 Ultra from 3 years ago almost now. It was not a cheap one, but it was a phone that I liked, and that's it. But my next phone, since Samsung removed the Note line, might be something else. It's not going to be Apple, and I don't think it's going to be Samsung either, because they both switched on us and went back to old school, went back to Sprint days, and made it just, you buy it because it has our logo. It's not going to work on me this time. I'll buy just a phone that fits my pocket and my budget and what I use it for. And with that said, I hope you are getting the point across and you're getting the message here that their PR teams get paid really handsomely to do these tricks. to call it, instead of a notch, Dynamic Island. Really, Dynamic Island now? Look, you can sell that to anybody else, but not to us that have been through tech stuff since we were kids. And in any case, that's all I had to settle with all of you guys, because a lot of people are making a lot of noise and a lot of dust on Twitter regarding this topic and calling everybody else that doesn't have an Apple poor people and stupid people and all that, and oh, the island of loneliness that's going on Android. That's absolutely not true. Actually, on Android, you're anything but lonely. Anyway, both phones are beautifully designed. I gotta say that. I don't dislike any of them. I don't hate any of them. I think they're actually very nice phones for who can afford them and who likes them. But do I think they're worth their price? Absolutely not. Especially with the economy we have today. Yeah, $1,600 and $2,100. No, it's an absolute no. So, you choose your wallet, you choose your pocket, you choose your phone. It's up to you what you want to do. This video was not to steer you one way or another. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Bye!